Hey everyone, Siavash here with ClinicSync Pro, and in this video, I am going to demo our chat widget AI that books appointments directly into your Jane calendar. So you might have already seen our voice AI that basically do the booking, rescheduling, and cancellation directly on your Jane calendar. Now, this one is basically an extension of that, allowing you to do the exact same thing, but on your conversational channels such as your live chat widget, SMS, WhatsApp, basically any other channel that GHL allows you to do the conversation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demo on this one. And then after that, I'm going to show you actually how you can set it up and how you can have access to this. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead. So I basically built up this demo website and just put a live chat widget in here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on live chat. So this is already hooked up to a demo account as well. So I'm going to show you how it's going to work. So let's go ahead and say, I'm not going to make it too hard. So I'm just going to put the treatment name, provider name, and also the location and the time in just one message. So it actually we don't need to sit here and see me just typing your stuff. Okay, so that's the automatic thing that you can update inside the live chat. What you call inside the live chat settings with GHL, that response that you just got. So I'm just gonna say, let's say 9 a.m. That's gonna go basically check the time and availability and everything during that time for that provider and that treatment. So there we go. So I found that. Always do ask for conversation confirmation. So we're gonna say yes. Give it a sec. We'll come back. It probably needs to ask about my details because I think this is a new chat. Yep. So that would be, let's say, I put Andrew Jones, and then let's see if it asks for email and stuff. Probably will ask for email and phone number as well. We're gonna say it's gonna ask for email. Hi. And once it has everything, it's just gonna send a last confirmation for us to confirm everything, and then it's gonna go and do the booking. When the booking is successful, we're gonna get a response back, and then we can go ahead and check the appointment on actual chain. So the way that the platform works is check to see if that patient exists. If it doesn't, it creates patient and then it goes ahead. So it says it's booked. So I'm just gonna copy the phone and then go to the demo account and go to patients. And I put a phone number. It should bring that up. There you go. And we got that one upcoming appointment, the village, 9 a.m. for tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 9:30. I'm not gonna go through doing the cancellation and rescheduling, but it's going to be exactly the same. Now, the setup. So basically, for those of you that have already our Voice AI agent. So you're on that tier that has the Voice AI agent. You just need to download the updated snapshot and everything is going to work. And for those of you that want to basically get access to this and the Voice AI, you just need to upgrade to the Voice AI Receptionist via your ClinicSync Pro dashboard. Now, once you get the snapshot, we gonna go inside the workflows. So basically, the inside the automations, you will get just one workflow with the folder. So it's going to be just basically a simple CSP conversational AI. And when you open that, this is the whole workflow. So these are the channels that the platform works on. So if you don't want any of them, you can just delete them. So this works on SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DM, WhatsApp, and live chat. Okay. And basically here we just put a condition to do the different channels and all the magic happens just in the webhook. So what happens basically, let's check this out. So all of these are custom values. I'm going to show you how you can update them. And basically, so the first one is the webhook address, basically sending the information to us, and our AI basically handles that. Clinic name, this is the introduction, what the AI is going to say that, hey, thanks for contacting Clinic A, Clinic B, whatever. Agent name, the name of the chatbot. Time zone, this is very important. You want to make sure that you put the time zone that you have it inside your chain. Reply channels, you don't need to change it. These match the statements, if a statement that we have. So this is basically automatically tells us that, hey, reply back in SMS, reply back in live chat, and etc. Now, this one is OpenAI API key. So basically, obviously, because we are using OpenAI, by default, we use our own credentials, our own token. So obviously, if we use our own token, it's gonna cost us. And if you don't provide your API key, it will use our API key, and we're basically just going to rebuild you. But if you grab your own API key and your API key has access to GPT 5.5, because that's what we are using at the moment, you can just update that, put it there, and it just basically be from your own account. So there's not going to be rebilling from us. It's going to be from your account. And then we have something additional prompt. So this is not going to change anything significantly, but this is kind of like to tailor some of the stuff to your clinic. This is not going to change how the party is going to book and those kind of things. This is kind of like, let's say if you have like, hey, we have specific parking in here, we have these times and those kinds. So basically anything that is a little bit specific, you're only able to put, I think, 4,000 characters in there, so it's not long. And that's pretty much it. And the last one is your API key. Obviously, you get that API key from your setup inside the ClinicSync Pro API cockpit. When you go to that API cockpit, you will see your um, API key in here that you can copy and add it there. Now, the reason that these are custom values is because it makes it much easier. You just in one place, you just change them, and all of these webhooks are exactly the same except the channel. So they all exactly the same except that you have to update the channel. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the custom values. All right, in your GHL, down at the bottom, if you click on settings, then on the left sidebar, you'll have a section called custom values. Click on that. And this is where you update those. So this is the AI conversational endpoint, which I will put that within the video and within the actual email that I'm going to send out. So you just basically update it there. Then you have the OpenAPI key, OpenAI API key. You put your API key in here. I'm gonna show you where you can grab that. And then your ClinicSync Pro API key that you put it in here. Now for the time zone, the way that it's going to look like, they're going to be look like this, and where you can get it is from your business profile. If your time zone is basically, it should be the same as what you have on Jane. In my case, it's not. But basically, whatever it writes in here, so in this case, it says Australia, Sydney, that's what you put. If you are in, let's say, Pacific, so that would be like, for example, America, Los Angeles. So you just basically need this text exactly like that, not the whole thing, just America slash LOS underscore ANGELES. Okay, so just that. So if you go back in here, back in settings, you will see that we basically just put that in. So this is very important. Otherwise, you might try to book for 9 a.m. and it's just going to book for another thing. Okay. But that's about it. No, I hope you kind of like enjoy this one. And if you have any question, you know where you can find our Zoom and office hours, and you can basically ask any questions that you have on our office hours. But yep, that's pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.